I've been running down a long dirt road, carrying things I never should have held alone. Tried to hide the hurt, but the cracks still show. Smiling wide so nobody'd ever know. People talk like they understand, but they ain't walked 1 mile where I stand. Still I wake up, lace my boots again, fight the same old storm rolling in. And I whisper to the mirror every day, girl, you've come too far to fade away. I shine anyway, even when my heart aches. Rise anyway, even when the world shakes. When the tears fall down like a hard summer rain, I wipe them off my face and I shine anyway. Yeah, life's tried to break me, but here I stay. I shine anyway. I've been left behind, I've been let down, lost myself in the silence of a small town. But I learned that strength ain't loud at all. Sometimes it's just standing when you wanna fall. Nights get long and the pain gets real. Sometimes even prayer don't heal. But I've got a spark buried deep inside, and it keeps me warm on the coldest nights. So I hum a tune just to calm the pain, telling my soul we'll rise again. I shine anyway, even when my voice shakes. I rise anyway, even when my heart breaks. When the world feels heavy and to lose my way, I get back up and say, I shine anyway. I've been bruised, I've been broken, but I'm okay, 'cause I shine anyway. Maybe one day I'll look back on this and see every tear I cried had a purpose. Maybe the hurt was just teaching me how strong I was meant to be. Yeah, it's hard enough to believe. I rise anyway, even when hope's far away. Got a fire in my chest they can't take away. No matter what they say, I shine.